What's going on, guys? This is Cole back with you from Kelowna Chevrolet. Today I have a 2021 Chevy Tahoe LT. Let's go take a look. Starting up front, you have that 3-liter diesel under the hood. You have these real nice 20-inch alloy wheels, color matching mirrors, door handles, tinted windows. Coming to the back here, to open up the power liftgate, there's just a button below there. You do have the third row seating. To take down the seat, just pull this lever, it folds down like so, and you grab this to pull it back up. Close the tailgate, push that button, and it'll close like so. Real nice Summit white. And coming into the interior, we have these real nice jet black leather seats, powered. Going over to the door panels, you got your window and mirror. Bose audio system. Coming inside now. To the left of the steering wheel, you have your emergency park brake, automatic stop start, parking assist, automatic 4-wheel drive, drive mode select, and your lighting. And here you have your cruise control settings and your hands-free and audio. These can also be adjustments for the middle of the dash here. The dash is currently reading 15,853 kilometers. There's your large infotainment screen. Coming down below here, you have your dual zone climate. You also have rear climate control, heated seats, and wireless charger, cup holder, and a center console with a couple USB inputs. Up top, you have your power liftgate on how high you want it to go, and also your sunroof controls. And coming into the mid-row here, got lots of leg space. To fold the seats down, you just hold those handles. Center here, you have your climate control, and to the third row seating, there's plenty of space back there as well, and you also have your own USB-C input back there. Thank you guys for watching this video on the 2021 Chevy Tahoe LT. This is currently still available. I know it's a rarity, but it is. For more information on this unit, feel free to reach out to us between 9 and 6 p.m. Monday to Saturday, or you can drop by our dealership at any time. Thank you guys. Have a great day.